Hey y'all, it's a beautiful fall day here in the Ozarks, and you know what sounds good for breakfast? French toast. So let's make some. I'm going to start off with 2 eggs. I get my eggs from my friend Becky right here in Branson, Becky and Nathan. Let's do about a cup of milk, a little bit of cinnamon. I'm going to go ahead and, oh, this isn't even opened. Hold on. Let's do about that much. A good teaspoon. Get it good and cinnamony. And now I'm going to do a splash of vanilla. We'll do about a teaspoon. I know for sure that that's a teaspoon. Do about a teaspoon of vanilla. Let's give her a mix. I'm going to use the electric skillet. Let me get it good and hot here. I'm going to put a little butter in my pan. I'm going to use Texas toast, so it'll be nice and thick. And just let that soak really good. You want it to soak up a lot of that milk, not to where it's falling apart, but you do want to get it nice and saturated. There you go. This is going to be so good. I know that looks like a lot of butter. And it is, because I like butter. Butter makes everything better. There we go. Look at that. That got her all. All right. Oh yeah, nice and crispy. Look at that. So just a couple minutes on each side until it's nice and crispy on the outside, and it'll be light and fluffy on the inside. This may or may not be Hungry Jack syrup in this little container. I love this little container. I bought it, well, this isn't the first one I bought, but I like these, and sometimes I like Griffin syrup. I love Griffin syrup because it's from Muskogee, Oklahoma. My aunt worked there for years, and we used to get syrup. She would bring it to us all the time. So I keep this because I like it, because you can pop it in the microwave, and look, it tells you when it's hot. It'll warm up and it tells you. I just love this little thing. So I just continue to fill this up with whatever syrup I have. I do like Hungry Jack syrup, but I also love Griffin syrup too. I believe these are done. Found this at the grocery store. Over by the pie filling, it's blackberries, and I'm just gonna open this up, and we are gonna put, this is just blackberries in a canned blackberries. We're just gonna put a little bit right here. A little bit more right here. Get a little pinch of powdered sugar and sprinkle on here. Holy moly. Right to that. Expect something good to happen to you today, and make something great happen through you today. Go out there and bless somebody's socks off. We'll see ya.